Hey everyone, and welcome to the 2024 AlFa Romeo model lineup. This year, AlFa Romeo is excited to introduce a number of new and updated models that are sure to appeal to discerning drivers. 2024 AlFa Romeo Giulia is a stylish and performance-oriented sedan that is sure to turn heads. It is available with a variety of powerful engine options, including a 2.0 litres turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 255 horsepower and a 2.9 litres twin turbocharged V6 that produces 505 horsepower. The Giulia also features a sophisticated infotainment system and a spacious and comfortable interior. The 2024 AlFa Romeo Stelvio is a powerful and stylish SUV that is sure to please even the most demanding drivers. It is available with a variety of engine options, including a 2.0 litres turbocharged 4-cylinder that produces 280 horsepower and a 2.9 litres twin turbocharged V6 that produces 510 horsepower. The Stelvio also features a spacious and comfortable interior and a number of advanced safety features. 2024 Tonale exterior. The 2024 AlFa Romeo Tonale is a new plug-in hybrid SUV that is sure to appeal to environmentally conscious drivers. It features a 2.0 litres turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that is paired with an electric motor. The Tonale has a total system output of 275 horsepower and an electric-only range of 30 miles. In addition to the Giulia, Stelvio, and Tonale, AlFa Romeo also offers a number of other exciting models, including the 4C Spider and the Giulia Quadrifoglio. With its commitment to style, performance, and innovation, AlFa Romeo is sure to continue to be a leader in the automotive industry for years to come. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look at the 2024 AlFa Romeo model lineup. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.